Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All links mentioned in this overview, along with further product details, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using LendYou Express loans. In this video, we're taking a close look at LendYou Express loans, sharing my first-hand experience with their services. For those needing quick access to funds, LendYou offers a streamlined and efficient borrowing solution. The entirely online application process provides the convenience of applying from anywhere, at any time. Once your loan is approved, the funds can be deposited into your account as quickly as the next business day. LendYou Express loans generally range from $200 to $1,000, with repayment terms spanning 3 to 12 months. This flexible repayment structure offers a significant advantage over traditional payday loans. LendYou primarily focuses on serving individuals with poor or limited credit histories, a group often facing challenges securing loans through conventional banks. Their application process is designed to be straightforward and doesn't heavily weigh credit scores, presenting a significant benefit for those with less than perfect credit. However, as is typical with short-term loans, the associated costs can be substantial. Interest rates can range from 200% to 1,000% April, depending on the loan amount and your state of residence. Therefore, carefully evaluating the cost and determining if this loan aligns with your financial situation is crucial. LendYou employs a fixed repayment structure with predictable monthly installments, simplifying budgeting and financial planning. These fixed terms empower borrowers to better manage their repayment schedules. However, it's essential to ensure you can consistently meet these monthly payments to avoid incurring late fees or other charges. A notable advantage of LendYou loans is their reporting to credit bureaus. Consistent, on-time payments can positively impact your credit score over time. In summary, LendYou Express loans can be a viable option for individuals requiring emergency funds, especially those who may encounter obstacles accessing credit through traditional channels. While the quick approval process and adaptable repayment terms are undoubtedly beneficial, the high interest rates necessitate using this service judiciously, primarily for genuine emergencies. Always thoroughly review the complete terms and conditions, and confirm you can comfortably manage the repayment schedule to prevent unnecessary expenses.